second graders, let's do math 134. We're almost to the end of the year already. So take out this paper, see if you can find it, and you need to do your name and the date. You can do your shortened version of the date today. And then we're going to read it over. Number 1, Lou's dog eats 3 dog biscuits a day. How many dog biscuits will their dog eat in 7 days? Now we have to think about this. What kind of problem could we make this in? We could make it repeated addition. So we could say, well, he eats 3 every single day for 7 days. So we could do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. But we have a better system now. We have a better way to figure out this problem. We can use multiplication. So don't use the repeated addition anymore because we know multiplication. So come on over here with me. And I don't have dog biscuits, but I do have these little yellow chips. So they eat 3 dog biscuits a day for 7 days. So we need to get these 3. There's 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. Okay? So you eat 3 dog biscuits a day for 7 days. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So we're going to make this into our multiplication problem. So we would do 3 times 7 equals, did you say 21? Are you learning these 3 facts? I hope so. If you need more practice, go on IXL and practice some more multiplication because that's what we're learning. So that's how you would figure that out. Then we have to go to number 2. Number 2 says there are twice as many girls. So come on over with me. I have some girls on the back of the piano. Can you see them? Let's come on around so you can see them. And boys. Oh, we don't want to. So it says there are twice as many girls in Mrs. York's class as there are boys. Are there more girls or boys? Well, twice as many girls. Did you say more girls? Good, good, because that's correct. There are 10 girls in the class. So look over here. You see I have 10 girls in Mrs. York's class. So now we have to figure out how many boys are in the class. We know that multiplication is the opposite of division. So how are we going to figure this out? What we're going to do is if there are twice as many girls, we have to divide this up. So if there's 10 girls, you say twice is 2, you know. So you do 10 divided by 2 is going to be the number of boys in the class. And then if we made that into a multiplication problem, we would say 2 times what number equals 10. Okay, so come on over here. If we did that, we could figure this out by doing the multiplication or the division. There's 10 girls and there's twice as many girls as there are boys. Did you say there's 5? Because 5 times 2 is 10, or 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this, if you look at here, you can see if there's 5 boys, there's twice as many girls. So 5 times 2 equals 10. And that would tell you how many girls are in the class and how many boys are in the class. Okay? Now we need to go to number 3, and it's Mrs. Dunleavy had 8 cookies. Well, I ate all the cookies from last week, so I had to make 8 cookies, pretend cookies, and we have 8 cookies here. Can you see them? Oh, good. Okay, 8 cookies. She gave each of her kids 2 cookies. So you're going to draw your cookies, And I like chocolate chip the best, so that's why I picked chocolate chip. And you're going to have to try and figure out how many kids she has. So we said each kid gets 2. 2 for you, 2 for you, 2 for you, and 2 for you. Hey, that tells you, hey, she has 4 kids. Yes, because, and you can make that into a division problem because we're working on division this week. You would say 8 divided by 2 is 4. There you go. That's how you do that. Now come on and follow me. We have to talk about number 4. The cost of a pencil. The cost of your pencil is 60 cents. So if you go into the store and you give the store clerk $1, how much money are you going to get back? This is what you got to figure out. If this is 60 cents, you go in, you're going to say, well, you could make it into a problem like this. 100 cents, now it's going to be plus or minus. Ooh, it's going to be takeaway, right? Minus. Minus 60. What is it going to be? See if you can figure that out. Count up or make it into the subtraction problem like that. Well, if you look here, I have on this table how many dimes we got. We're going to do 60 cents here and equals $1, 100 cents here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 100 cents. Okay? You're going to have to take 60 away. That's the cost of a pencil. Then you would get, did you say 40 cents? Did you do this mental math in your head? Here. Right here. Did you do that in your head? Because you know that 10 minus 6 is 4, right? So you should get 40 cents back if you give the store clerk $1. And you'll have some more practice with that in the back. And then we're going to work on more division problems. 14 divided by 2 equals, what's twice as many? Well, you can think of this, anything twice as many, it's in 2 groups. So you know those are the doubles. Did you say 7? Good. And then the next one, 8 divided by 2. It's like the cookie one, so I'm not going to do that one for you. You know that one. And then 18 divided by 2. What are 2 groups of 18? It's the doubles. All the ones that are divided by 2s are the doubles. So what's the doubles of 18? Did you say 9? Good, good. And then we need to look at, there's 3 problems on the bottom. I just picked the middle one because some of you, you know who you are forgetting that if the bottom number's bigger, you regroup. Is 8 bigger than 5? Can you just make this into a subtraction problem and say 8 minus 5, oh, I know that, 3, you can't do that because it's bigger. You can't take away a number that's smaller. So you go to the tens column. I'm going to borrow 10. Remember, we've done this lots of times. So we do 15 minus 8. Did you write 7? 8 minus 7, 1. Now don't forget to drop the decimal point. 5 minus 1. Did you put 4? And then don't forget the dollar sign. So don't go through all that work and then forget the label. If you turn it over, it is the same practice, just with different numbers. So you can do that, and congratulations, you made it all the way to the end. Right here, this number 6 problem, I'll tell you a little secret. You can cross it off. You don't have to do it for today. Woohoo! Doesn't that make your day? Cross that one off. You don't have to do it. It's a free one. I hope you have a super day, and enjoy it. Bye.